down lower now. He's getting. Figured out that I'm filming him. Statue. You finally got down so I could actually get a picture of you. See, I'm not so bad after all. I just like taking pictures of birdies. Yeah. And once you get used to me, I can interview you. Right? You notice that every time he chirps, his tail flicks up. See? He chirps, or if he sings, his tail flips up. This bird knows how to move its fanny. You must be a girl. Oh, so you wiggle your tail when you sing so you can attract a male? I don't even know if you're a male or female. Don't chastise me if I don't know what kind it is. I'm sorry. I look at birds, but I don't really look up the meanings. I should actually look up and see what kind of bird you are. You're black with orange and white on your wings. So if you know which kind of bird this is, help me out. Little comment, tell me. What kind of bird is this? You know how to sing? Can you sing? Or do you just chirp, 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 chirp all day? Yeah? Huh? Really? Yeah. So, are we gonna get a bad storm today? Huh? Do you think so? You think we'll get a bad storm today? Yeah? So are you like warning everybody? Is that what you're doing? Telling everybody we're gonna get a bad storm? Maybe? Well, at least now you look at me. Usually you just stick your tail in my face. Unless you're a different bird. Thank you for being so friendly. Yeah. Can you come down a little lower? My arm's getting sore here. No? Maybe? Hey, can you spread your wings so we can see your wings? Go like this. Put your wings out. Like that. Put your wings out. You put your wings out? Move your wing like this. Say hi. Wave your wing. Go like this. Oh, there you go. Good boy. Or girl. Oh. Oh, you're mad at me because I'm invading your space? Seriously? I'm bigger than you. I can invade your space anytime I want. Yeah, I love you too. Have a good day.